Now a party election broadcast by the UK Independence Party.
And now for something completely different.
Playing the SNP Bogeyman.
Oh, I'm just outside this police station, or should I say, gunging station. Ha 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 ha! Any moment now, some poor deluded fool's going to come walking through that door. And if he, or she for that matter, political correctness and all, gives me the wrong answer to how to have voted, they're getting sturgeoned and getting gunged. Can I ask you how you voted, sir? Did you vote for the SNP? No, I didn't vote for the SNP. What are you going to do about it? I already had a brick thrown from my window having a no poster up in my window during the referendum. You're getting sturgeoned and going in a gunge tank. Can you repeat that, please? Oh, wait 15 minutes. I'll get this voice changer switched on and give it all a more dramatic effect.
Get started out. Go ahead, gun strike.
And whose authority will this gunging take place? Mine. Is there anything you'd like to say to that? Joe? Who do you think you are talking to me like this? I'm forcing into the gunge tank against my will. Oliver Gungewell? No, I am not Oliver Gungewell. I'm the SNP Man. Oh, I'm the SNP Man. Look at you, got glasses and pretend voice changer. But you've always just drawn on yourself. SNP Man? Sounds more like the ice cream man. In fact, in Glasgow these days, the bitter rivalry existing between SNP supporters and Labour supporters, well, what few still exist, that is, can turn into a new ice cream horse.
It's just a coincidence.
Oh,
Maybe not.
It's not the ice cream man, it's the SNP man. It's not the ice cream man, it's the SNP man.
Give away. Hi, Mario.
Assistance. Assistance.
Mario.
Wave. I am Daddy. Daddy. Wave. Hi, Mario. I am Daddy.
Ah, it's not the SNP Man, it's the ice cream man. Ah! Oops, that's wrong way around, isn't it? Could be the wrong way around, shouldn't it? Ah, it's not the ice cream man, it's the SNP man. Ah!
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
I've had enough of your nonsense. Don't take him away.
What did you just say, sir?
Don't take him away.
Where to?
Well, the gunge time, of course. Where else could it have been? That's your job as a security man, or lion rather, working for G4S, Guns for Sturgeoned. That's your job, to take people to the gunge tank. At what point did your previous employer, Master Bookron, decide this wasn't really happening, and finally decided to sack you? Out of curiosity, who did you actually vote for? Why, I voted for the GSP. The GSP? Yes, John Stewart party. And what is it that signifies a GSP voter? We all do crazy things that no one in their right minds could do. Like what exactly?
Right, come along, you.
Like sticking your hand in Tom Hanks' mouth.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Use your brain line, that's what you've got handcuffs for. To stop people getting up to nonsense like that, not to stop people escaping.
Oh dear. Oh dear. You are funny, aren't you?
It's not, it's trouble. Yeah, flaming idiot.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
We stop saying oh dear all the time. Why do you keep saying oh dear all the time anyway?
Yeah.
There's something wrong with the switches upstairs.
Okay, there's plenty I need for that.
Oh dear, he's gone all jokey on us.
We got him.
Well done. Oh come on, just one last one.
I'm not talking to you. I'm giving you the cold shoulder.
Oh, you're not. I'm only pulling your leg. Okay then. How did I ever get into this?
Well, you walked in, didn't you?
Some very shrewd observations there from my security line. Obviously in good form with the jokes. All I did was go out to vote. Who would have thought I would have got me into so much trouble? No wonder I'm deeply fear of trying new things. Last time was I nearly got Wilson's.
Ah, get it off! Get it off! Oh, please get any stranger.
Still strange though. I'll vote for the SNP. Silence! You get Master Booker on to escort me to the polling station at gunpoint and have me shot if I don't. Silence! Fingers crossed and hope to die. Silence! Please, not the Sturgeoned. Ah! Any chance we get on with the gunging? The gunge minister is a very busy woman. Please, Nicola, I don't want to be... Okay, Nicola, release the gunge. Ah! Ah! I know you want to get the construction there, so there's another better ways of doing it. You're going to get cement on me. Ah! We should have used oil. The price is down, there's a lot more of it. Like that, didn't you? I'm starting to enjoy that. You know you're gonna ask for more. You know you're gonna ask for more.